What are we going to do today? Well, today we're going to do a tasting on Still in the Clear's Wheated Bourbon. This was a kit I got from Cyrus over at Still in the Clear, and we made this bourbon. It's a wheated bourbon. We made it, I guess it was back in July. So it's about 5 months old, been in the bottle for about 5 months. So what I want to do is I want to taste it. Yeah, I'll be honest with you, I'll tell you, it tastes good. Anyway, I want to get it in the bottles, so I put it on the shelf and let her do some more aging. Alright, but first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is the channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. See what I'm going to do, I'll put a card up one side or the other of the playlist for when we made the mash and we distilled it. But just for your information right now, what the ingredients is was 1.5 pounds of malted barley, 2 pounds of white wheat, 8.5 pounds of corn, and we used daddy's yeast, and we used medium charred oak sticks. Medium toasted, I should say. They were medium toasted, not charred, okay? So, I guess our next step is, let me get a couple coffee fillers, and we're going to start filling these bottles up. Okay, so let's get some of this in a bottle. And the only reason I use coffee filters is because you got any wood chips or something like that in there. I just want to get them out. All right. I can't wait to taste it though. It's going to be pretty darn good. It's been hard to keep the hands off of it. I mean, it's a wheated bourbon. It might be a little bit light on color, but I bet the taste is sure will be there. Wheated bourbon has to be one of my favorites. Alright, let me get this all filtered out and I'll be back. Okay, so now the best part. I mean, if you can see, that is beautiful looking. Oh, you gotta love that. I think Cyrus has a bunch of different kits over there at Still in the Clear, so I mean, I will make sure that I put a link to his channel or to his shop or his website so you can buy this. I mean, the kit came with everything that you needed. Oh, from the yeast on down. So it's everything you need except for the water. I think there was something else. I think, yeah. So, beautiful color. A little chilly today. It was snowing a little while ago. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. It smells like a bourbon. I mean, got a very, very pleasant smell, real mild. Wow! That is nice. I normally drink my bourbons on ice, but you know what I'm going to tell you? This one might just have to be neat. I'll still probably do it on ice, but this tastes fantastic neat. I mean, it's got You can really taste the creaminess and the smoothness of that wheat. Got a nice little gentle burn on it. I mean, it has all the notes. I mean, it's almost like a sweet taste. I mean, just in a little bit of a way. Yeah, which is going to be coming from the corn. I think corn adds a little sweetness. Woo! Damn, that's good. That ain't going to be around long. Cyrus, I think you got a winner here. I mean, the comes on real smooth. Lingers for a minute, then nice, it goes away. Oh, that is a winner. All right. Okay, so that is Still in the Clears Wheated Bourbon. Will I make it again? 100%. Rated from 1 to 10. I mean, to me, a 10 has to be really fantastic. That's gonna be a tough one. It's in the 9s. It's in the 9s. That is good. If you made that, you would be very, very pleased with that. All right. Like I said, that's 5 months old. It's about 80 proof. I proofed it down to 80 proof. I don't know what else to say, but thanks, Cyrus. I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks for Brewing. Cheers, everybody. Oh, damn, that's good.